Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Messenger on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. So, all you have to do is basically not go into App Gallery, since it is not the safest option. Many people believe that, including me, as the App Gallery basically gathers all the installation links from the web that it can find and gives it to you, which is, well, there are safer options to do it. So instead we are going to go into our Gbox here and to our Google Play Store. Here we can download basically any banned app that you wouldn't have access to normally. So now all we have to do is just search for our Messenger here and just hit install. And after it's done installing, we'll be able to simply use it. Of course, if you don't know what Gbox is, you can just download it from the App Gallery. And if you're still having any troubles, we have a tutorial on how to do that. It's called How to Install Google Play Store on your Huawei device. And that's all you have to do. As you can see now, I simply downloaded my Messenger, and now I can just open it and use it however I want. And that's really all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.